What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today it's time for adding some new Mini GTs to the collection. As you can see, we only have 5 models, but this is some pretty sweet stuff, I would say. And yeah, let's get started with this guy here, which is number 895, the LB Super Silhouette Nissan S15 Silvia in 2023 Formula Drift Japan Deco. And yeah, I already took it out of its packaging and here it is. You know, I'm not really into the drift sport and not too much into Japanese cars, but yeah, I like the S15, and especially I like this yeah, Liberty Walk version because they throw so many really good decos on these guys. I would say this one isn't the best, but I will show you all the other versions in a few moments and you will see that. But yeah, it's a really nice casting. As you can see, this thing is really slammed. And yeah, we see a lot of details, a lot of sponsor logos and all that stuff, which is really cool. And yeah, look at the details here. We have 2 spokes in green. It's also here on the rear wheels, really nice. We get lensed headlights, lensed taillights, a lot of deco on the roof. This Formula Drift windshield banner, of course, a metal base. And if you take a close look inside, it comes with a nice green roll cage. So yeah, really good. And yeah, it does roll, although it sits solo, which is really cool. Then we go on with another version of this casting. This is in 2024 Fausto Racing Deco. And yeah, here it is. And yeah, this Spectra Flame Green, or whatever you call that, with gold accents, gold rims, and yeah, this is yeah, a lot to look at, but it definitely matches the rest of these these cars. Really nice. As you can see, there's a lot going on there. We have a roll cage, but this one is black, so yeah, you can't really see it. Also comes with a windshield banner, and yeah, so much deco on this one. Really nice. Let's focus on the background, and it rolls. But yeah, told you there are many nice versions of this casting. I think the most recent one was this guy here in purple, which is pretty cool with the green rims. Then yeah, you've seen this guy here, which is also very cool. And yeah, then we get to my favorites, and I think my favorite 2 are this guy here and this one. I think these yeah, are just looking fantastic. If you take a look at those, they also have details on the rear windows, which is really cool. So and the last one is this guy here. Yeah, also a nice one. So as you can see, we do have 7 versions of this casting. I think that's that are all of this casting. I'm not really sure, but it's definitely a nice collection. Ways we go on with this guy here. This is number 872, the Porsche 911 GT3R from AO Racing, and of course, you know what, this is ROXY. And yeah, yeah, I'm really excited that I have one of these. I think this looks fantastic. As you can see, this is a really bright pink standing out. In the front we see our teeth, And yeah, it's I really like this one. This is one. It's definitely one of my favorite Mini GT models, I would say. As you can see, this one comes with yellow tinted headlights. We also have prints on the tires, which is really cool, and all the nice details like that. Green mirrors and the Porsche windshield banner. And of course, it rolls. But there is no ROXY without ROXY, which, yeah, I think I got it a few months earlier. And you know that Hot Wheels brought out a ROXY version last year, and ROXY was the chase. Unfortunately, I only got ROXY and not ROXY because it yeah, is a chase and very rare. But now we have both versions, and yeah, I think this is a really nice pair. But I have two other versions of this casting. One is this guy here. I think there's another version, same deco in with a kind of a purple base color, I think. And then we have this one here, which is also pretty cool. Pfaff Racing. Also really cool. And yeah, all of them come with a white roll cage inside. Really nice casting. Then we have number 899. This is a new casting, I think, the Volkswagen ID Bus in prototype rainbow deco. Yeah, not a huge fan of Volkswagen buses, but in this deco, this thing is definitely very cool. I think this is just standing out, something unusual. Really like this one here. And as you can see, I don't know how long Mini GT is doing this, but I think it's not more than a year since when they put the name of the model on the base plate. Before we didn't see that, unfortunately. So yeah, rolls also very well, and we have only one model left, which yeah, it's pretty sick. This is the Honda NSX GT Type S GT 500. So this is from a series called Super GT that, to be honest, I don't know anything about. But yeah, I saw this one in the Red Bull deco, and I thought this looks fantastic. And of course, it will stay in its blister because these things are pretty expensive. I think I paid around 23 euros or something for that. But I would say also through the packaging, you see that there's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of deco on the windshields. We have prints on the tires, on the wing, everywhere. So yeah, this one's also really nice. So yeah, let's take a final look at our models. Of course, we have the models that I already had in my collection, but yeah, I'm more and more into when I buy these Mini GTs, it's going more and more into the race car decos because they really stand out, as you can see. This is fantastic. I mean, look at all these Silvias. This is just a really nice collection. I love the colors, especially when you display them on your wall. This just looks good. You know, I always pick a favorite, and I would say from the new models, my favorite, no doubt about that, is, of course, our ROXY. And with that said, thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.